Well, I hope that you understand what serendipity in business is. And this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report, I'm looking at the Google document, and it's got on there understanding serendipitous conversations and their importance. And it is important. It's very important. They matter because they're going to spark the creativity, innovation, takes you to the next level. Okay? They're going to make that happen. So having it available to your team makes it important that the element of surprise, those serendipitous conversations that occur just boom out of the blue, if you've got the right environment, and we've talked about that before, then sometimes those will just pop out and happen, and you got the next good idea. Let's get to it.
Understanding serendipitous conversations and their importance. What are serendipitous conversations? Serendipitous conversations happen by chance. They're the unplanned discussions that lead to new ideas or insights. Unlike scheduled meetings, these chats are spontaneous and often more relaxed. They can occur anywhere, from the office kitchen to a random encounter at a coffee shop. Why do they matter? These conversations matter because they spark creativity and innovation. When people from different backgrounds interact, they share unique perspectives. This diversity of thought can lead to breakthrough ideas. For small business owners, serendipitous conversations can reveal new opportunities and solutions to challenges. The element of surprise. The beauty of these interactions lies in their unpredictability. You can't plan for serendipity, but you can create an environment that fosters it. When employees feel comfortable engaging in spontaneous conversations, they're more likely to share ideas freely, leading to unexpected insights.
Why do 80% of YouTube viewers miss out on amazing content? Don't be one of them. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new episode from Guy R. Cook. Got questions or feedback? Reach out to me using the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. It's quick, easy, and safe. Join our growing community, stay in the loop, and be the first to know about our latest videos. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep the good times rolling. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.